So my topic is intermediary productivity and sales performance of personal lines insurance, a case of NIC General Insurance Company Limited. Uh, the global insurance landscape relies heavily on third-party intermediary networks, independent brokers, and retail agents to drive market outreach in sub-Saharan Africa, particularly in Uganda. Insurance penetration historically hovers beneath 1%. This challenge is especially visible within personal lines insurance, such as private motor, domestic package, medical, agriculture, and personal accident covers, which, which requires direct interaction with individual retailer. So, as a premier institution of the local market, NIC faces intense competition from foreign and local firms to maintain market share. The productivity of its intermediary network must continuously optimized. This background sets up the relationship between intermediary capacity, training, technical tool deployment, commission metrics, and ultimate retail sales metrics. The statement of the problem in this case, despite NIC maintaining expensive network of registered insurance agents and brokers, the sales performance of its personal lines policies remains lower than projected targets. While corporate commercial cover stabilized baseline revenue, individual retail markets penetration is sluggish. The underlying problem is an evident bottleneck in intermediary productivity. Agents frequently experience low conversion rates, high client churn, and insufficient training to counter the general public's financial literacy gaps. If left unaddressed, this productivity deficit will lead to shrinking retail market share for NIC and leave the Ugandan public exposed to unmitigated personal risks, directly undermining the development objectives of the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda. And our main purpose of the study is to evaluate the relationship between intermediary productivity and sales performance lines at NIC, aiming to develop actionable framework for distribution channels optimization. The research objectives is to examine the effect of intermediary technical competence and training of sales volumes of personnel lines insurance at NIC General Insurance, to assess how incentive and commission structure impact the motivation and retention performance of independent agents selling retail lines. And the third objective in this case is to evaluate the influence of digital sales tools adoption on the turnaround efficiency and customer acquisition rates of intermediaries. The scope of the study will be restricted to intermediary productivity metrics, competence and motivation, technology, sales performance indices, premium volume, renewal rates, client acquisition of personnel lines. The geographical scope is focused on NIC, Uganda, corporate offices in Kampala, alongside selected active independent brokerage agencies and retail agent hubs operating within the central region. The time scope. The study analyzes operation performance data and industry trends spanning the last 5 years for recent regulatory changes. The significance of this study to one, NIC offers localized empirical data to redesign agent training curriculums, restructure commission modules, and invest heavily in high-yield digital portals. To policymakers, IRA informs regulatory updates regarding agent licensing, standards, continuing professional development, metrics, and consumer advisory rules, and to literature contributes fresh empirical evidence from East African perspectives regarding distribution dynamics in developing economies. Here are a few authors to pin the theoretical and empirical of my study. We have Chuminis and Doherty, 2006, examined the economic role of insurance intermediaries. We also have Aiding and Stumit, 2002, focus on micro efficiency metrics within retail insurance sectors, providing validation for your choice of dependent sales performance. And the Insurance Regulatory Authority reports. The study will adopt a descriptive cross-sectional mixed methods research design, where we shall have a quantitative approach, process numeric structures, sales records, surveys records, while qualitative thematic analysis will capture nuanced perspectives from strategic executive interviews. The cross-sectional nature will ensure snapshot data is gathered across varied agent categories. The study population comprises of NIC retail sales managers, relationship desk officers, licensed independent insurance brokers, and active retail agents within the firm. The sampling techniques will be used to select corporate branch managers and relationship desk leaders who critically internal operational data. Stratified random sampling used to categorize intermediaries into distinct strata, independent brokers and retail agents. This ensures balanced and balanced representation within each distinct channel. Uh, Analysis techniques, qualitative analysis. Collected survey data will be cleaned, coded, and entered into statistical product and service solution. Descriptive statistics, frequencies, means will outline base metrics, statistics, strength and direction of relationship between productive indicators and sales, whereas the qualitative analysis interview recording will be transcribed and systematically evaluated using thematic content analysis to complete the statistical models. Data collection procedure. Upon proposed approval, a formal introductory clearance letter will be obtained from academic institution. Permission will be secured from NIC Insurance. Leadership to approach their distribution networks. Questionnaires will be deployed physically and through encrypted digital forms to maximize response rates. Follow-up notifications will be carried out over a 3-week window prior to losing data receipt. And ethical consideration, informed consent. Every participant will read and sign an explicit, transparent consent declaration ahead of data gathering. Anonymity and confidentiality. Individual agent names, agency identities, and high classified corporate financial charts will be entirely anonymized. Data will be aggregated strictly for academic synthesis. Right to withdraw. All respondents maintain complete anatomy, exit the data collection exercise at any step without facing professional or institutional penalties. Thank you so much.